Hey everyone, it's Mike Arnold here on the Crix Exchange, bringing you the first in a series of videos covering algorithmic trading training. Now, these videos will help you understand how to harness all the features Crix has to offer and giving you insight in on how to build your very own profitable algorithmic crypto trading strategies. At this point, you may be wondering, what is the Crix Exchange? Well, the Crix Exchange is a new generation of algorithmic crypto trading platforms, offering a range of exciting features to traders, including pre-made algorithms, access to Python code library, market maker rebates, and so much more. Now, you're going to want to get registered, and one of the reasons you're going to want to get registered today is not only follow along with these videos and the future videos so you can learn again how to develop your own algorithmic crypto trading strategies, but they have an amazing referral program going on right now. I clicked at the top on referrals, so you can always check it out to see what it says. But once you register and then you invite your friends to register with your unique code, you'll receive 20% of any trading fees they pay for 360 days. They also get a 20% discount on trading fees for 90 days. And you'll receive 10% of all fees paid by anyone they subsequently refer. And I'm going back to the site here. So you're going to want to scroll down here and get registered. And you see here, one of the things they use, they have a KYC or a Know Your Customer program, and they use Yoti. So you're going to want to create your Yoti ID. So you're going to want to download that on your smartphone or your tablet and register with that. And then you're going to sign up on Crix. And then you'll be able to follow along. There's also lots of other great information on just what they're doing, other videos you can watch from their homepage. But you're going to want to get signed up now. So when you're ready, click on the sign up now and it will walk you through the very easy process. Okay, so let's dive into today's episode, which is going to give you an overview of exactly what the platform offers and explain how you can use various tools on Crix to build, backtest, and deploy your own automated trading strategy. So once you log in, you'll be taken to this screen, which is the charting platform, which we'll get back to in a while. Now, I mentioned the rebates and everything. If you come over here and click on profile, you're going to see all your information. Mine's blacked out for right now. You can see your deposits and withdrawals. You can click on that. We can go back to profile. You can enable your two-factor authentication if you want there, but over here is your user fees, and you can see based off the crypto pair you're trading what the taker fees are and the maker fees are. And you can also see your login history and everything down below. I'm going to jump over here to the meat of what really makes Crix special though right now, and we're going to start here. So here you have your pre-made algorithms. You can convert them to my algorithms. You can look at your job results for testing you've done. So let's just say I'm going to go into a mean reversal algorithm. And you have access to this right away. There are already some of these pre-developed for you. If you click on there, you can see the code. And I can scroll through the code. You can see, so you can look and see exactly what the algorithm's doing. And in future episodes, we're really going to dive into, what all these settings mean, what these different areas of the code means, and how you can start developing it yourself. On the right here, you can see the trades it's made, the potential profitability of it from its testing. If you click on logs, the logs of what the buys and the sell signals are, and you can see them on the chart. So you can run your own tests and you can really take what's already pre-made. You can bring in your own Python code if you already have some algos. Maybe they're all even for stocks or futures or foreign exchange, and you want to convert them. As long as they're in Python code, you can convert them into the Python library. But let's just say I want to get this strategy. All I do is click on the strategy. All right, and now it is my strategy. So now if I come back to the bots section, under my algorithms, you can see it's listed here, mean reversal. So any changes I make, if I click on here now, and if I make code changes by clicking on code, so whatever I want to do to this, I can then make the changes. So I can change the short period here to 10. What else do I want to do? The buy trigger. Maybe I've been playing with this and I go, the buy trigger of 6 works better. Stop loss percent. Well, I don't want that big a stop loss. So I'm going through and just this is for sample purposes only, I could do that and then run and test the job. So then I could click on back test. If I was happy with those results, then I could eventually deploy it, but I could save this, then back test it, and then, hey, that's looking good, and eventually deploy it as my own. So that's really the heart of the platform that we'll get into. I'm not going to go over to trade right now because you can also just trade. You can buy and sell like any crypto exchange. You can look at the market. You can buy a market. You can do a limit. You can change your pair. So if I want to look at, like Ethereum US dollar pair. And one of the things you'll notice, you might know these charts. These are charts by TradingView. So they've taken the time and spent the money to integrate some of the highest quality charts on the internet that we found. So if you're already familiar with TradingView charts, then you can hit the ground running. If you're not, we're going to put up another video teaching you more about your TradingView charts, some of the basics of how to do it, so you can just log in, you can start looking at the charts for free, and then start building your algos. Why it's important to use the charts? Because what I found when I'm working with algos, I'm going to want to use, again, algos are going to use some statistical indicators, some technical indicators. I'm going to want to put some of the indicators on my charts to really understand, before I start developing my algos, what indicators I want to use, maybe what periods I want to test for those. And we're going to get into how to set up charts, how I like to set up my charts, what I like to look at, and then also some key indicators that we found can give you sort of a jump start and tend to be more successful with developing crypto trading algorithmic strategies. We're going to get into those in future episodes. So really, again, the whole aspect to this is this bot section with all these pre-made algos. There's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on here right now. They're really wanting to become sort of the Quantopian of the crypto world. If you're familiar with Quantopian, it's a US-based site where you can do a lot of Python coding to test your strategies against stocks. And now they're doing the same thing in the crypto markets. So that's really all we wanted to cover right now. Getting you set up. You can see your balance and your coins down here. You can see what the order history is, but really getting you set up and experiencing the basics of Crix. So as we keep these videos coming out, you can log in and you can follow along exactly with what we're doing. And it's all free of charge. You just log in, you register, log in, and you're good to go. And hopefully you'll be off and running and developing your very own algorithmic trading strategies very soon. Again, this is Mike Arnold here with the Crix Exchange, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.